Are you tired of constantly running out of coins and points in the Poppo app? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Poppo app free coins and points hack. With this amazing hack, you can now generate unlimited coins and points for free. No more waiting around for hours to earn enough coins to unlock new features or levels. With our hack, you can instantly boost your account with as many coins and points as you need. Simply download our hack tool, follow the easy instructions, and watch as your Poppo app account fills up with coins and points. For download, go to description and come to this website. Now go down and download this Mod APK. Now go to download folder in your device. Before installing this app, first uninstall your old app. Then install this Mod APK. After installing, enjoy your app. Because your app now is hack with unlimited money. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gaming hacks and tips.